Hey everybody, welcome back to Sketchyville. It is a cold, nasty, wet day here in Michigan again.
Very cold.
Very cold. Michigan is in full effect. It's November. It's getting cold. So today we've got a friend's car. It's a Pontiac G6. They need new struts put in. They need lower control arms done. So today Toots and I are going to be tearing that thing apart, getting it back together, and getting it back to our friends. So we're going to get to it. First thing we got to do though is we've got to move the goats' food for the winter out of the way. We got a couple 1,000 pounds of hay sitting underneath the tarps there. So we got to move that all out of the way so we can get the car in the barn. There we go. And we're going to get started. So this day just keeps on getting better. You can see on the windows there, it is now raining. It's wonderful. Still cold. It's 43 degrees. It's raining. Wet and cold. Welcome to Michigan. Okay, well we got the G6 inside the barn. Toots, you ready to get this thing jacked up and get it done? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get it jacked up, get the front wheel off. We're going to start with the left side. That's the side that needs the control arm, and then we'll transition into getting the struts done after we get done with that. So how long do you think this will take us?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, huh? You're that good?
No. 2 hours.
2 hours? Is that what we're shooting for? All right. 2 hours it is. Here we go.
That's a hail.
So it just got really loud in the barn all of a sudden, and you probably can't see it, but bouncing off the top of the camper is sleet now, which makes a wonderful sound on a tin roof of a pole barn.
Yeah, it's calming down.
And it's slowing down already. Yeah, for a minute. So Toots got the tire off. What we're going to be replacing is this right here. This aluminum lower control arm. It's got a built-in ball joint, and that's what's bad. You see where it sits down in there. So basically it's just taking off 3 bolts, 4 bolts actually, loosening another, popping it out, popping it in, and reversing the process. So we'll go ahead and get started. Now that we got the new arm in there, Toots is going to get everything tightened back up. So the control arm's on, everything's tightened down and torqued. Next we're going to move on to the struts here. Basically all it is you've got your 2 bolts here, and moving up top, and there's the 3 bolts up here, there, and there, and that will drop them out, and then we'll slip it back up there.